If you're tired of dull hair and excessive hair fall, then this DIY hair toner made with onions peel and green tea is for you. Before we proceed into the video, please endeavor to click on that subscribe button because it doesn't cost you anything. Welcome back, guys. So what you need for this is just the back of your onion, that is the peel of your onions. You know those parts that you normally discard when you want to prepare a meal? Yes, that. And then also a bag of green tea, a tea bag of green tea. Onions peel can work wonders for your hair because onions are packed with sulfur that helps in effective hair growth and stops hair fall. Now, if you notice, my onion peel is moist because I saved it from yesterday's meal. Okay, so I had to pack it and save it up in the refrigerator so that I can be able to use it for this particular video right now. Now, for you, what you need is just peel of orange. Did I just say orange? Peel of onions and then one green tea bag. Then go ahead to add your hot water. Make sure your water is hot, like you are boiling, normal level of boiling hot water. If you don't want to use hot water, you can go ahead and boil it straight away inside your pot. So after adding the hot water, I went on ahead to use my spatula to just try to make sure that I dip in everything inside the hot water so it will be well submerged well enough. And then next thing, I'm gonna go ahead, cover it up and then leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. While watching this, please endeavor to click on that subscribe button. Like I said, it doesn't cost you a thing. So 20 to 30 minutes later, this is what it looks like. The next thing is to sieve. Now after sieving it out, I went on to transfer it into my spray bottle so that I can easily apply it on my hair. So this is my freshly washed hair. I suggest you also wash your hair before applying this so that your scalp and your hair can actually take in all the nutrients they can get from this mixture. Now, starting from the root of your hair, you go down and work it down to the tip of your hair. So guys, using onions peel on your hair can treat your hair thinning by minimizing breakage. It can also nourish your hair follicle as it contains abundant sulfur, like I said earlier in the beginning of this video. Now, onions peel promotes hair growth as they are also rich in fiber and then also antioxidants that help fight infections of the scalp. Also feed your hair follicles and restore nutrients lost in it. Onions peel can also help protect hair from premature graying, protect your hair from lice exposure, fights dandruff due to the presence of antibacterial properties, and a whole lot more. Now, at the beginning of this video, I called it hair toner. Now, the reason why I mentioned it as a hair toner is because because of this, the advantage it gives your hair color. Now, in the sense that it can give that lustrous and shiny hair color that you need and you want. So this is what I went on to do to the whole of my hair. You know, I love working my hair in patterns. Spat out some hair and work from your scalp down to the tip of your hair. So this mixture is highly very effective for your hair because not only is it going to help your hair growth, practically that's what it does to help you grow your hair. Now the question is, how does it help you grow your hair? We already know that dandruff causes itchy scalp and severe hair loss. Particular mixture contains anti-inflammatory properties that can help your hair grow back. It also makes your scalp clean and free of infections, bacteria and fungus parasites. So this is the ways that it's going to help you grow your hair. Now, it's not like it's going to do an abracadabra job, like you sleep with it today and the next day your hair is way down to your knee or the middle of your back. No, that is not how it works. It's just going to help your hair and your scalp to be healthy. And healthy scalp equals healthy hair. You cannot grow a healthy hair without a healthy scalp. So that is why most of my DIYs, you just have to start with from your scalp first. It's from your scalp that your hair grows, and from the scalp grows a healthy hair. So you need to work from your scalp down to the tip or the end of your hair. Green tea contains an abundance of catechins, which are antioxidants in nature. Now, these compounds help in reducing the hydrotestosterone, which is responsible for hair loss. Now, these catechins, which you found in practically every green tea, is very good for your hair because it helps in cell damage. And then it also contains vitamin B. That is green tea. Green tea contains vitamin B, which plays major role in controlling hair loss. So after applying it on my hair, I go ahead to use my nylon or a plastic bag to just cover it. Leave it for an hour or so and go ahead to rinse it off. After rinsing it off, I then went on ahead to use my hair butter to seal in the moisture. I love using hair butter to seal in moisture because it lasts longer than oils. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. It doesn't cost you a thing. There on your interface, just one click and that's it. While you're done. So guys, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.